Eric Carnaby Sons, a plant hire company from South Humberside, was founded in 1946 and is now in its third generation. This family business has been a loyal customer to another family business, JCB, for over 60 years.
I think it's like us, we're a third generation business, they are, and JCB, there is actually, you can see the person behind the name, whether it was his grandfather or even George. There's a family behind it.
Tucked away inside a shed, the Carnabys fleet of JCBs also includes a couple of older models, two JCB1s from 1963.
They were bought for restoration, but over 50 years ago, my grandfather bought them.
To celebrate this special relationship, the third generation of the JCB family and son of JCB's chairman, George Bamford, made an unannounced visit to share some exciting news with the Carnabys.
We want to come and restore one of your machines. When your father first brought the machine to restore it.
He probably bought it about 50 years ago to restore, and we haven't got round to it yet.
This is family, history is in here, but my history, your history.
So the JCB1, nicknamed Angela after Mr. Carnaby's late wife, is on her way back to the JCB factory, where she's about to be lovingly restored.